Are you juggling the security of cold storage with the convenience of DeFi and Web3? Ever wondered if you could bring the robust protection of your ELLIPAL hardware wallet into the familiar ecosystem of MetaMask? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into exactly that. For those unfamiliar, MetaMask has become a cornerstone for interacting with decentralized applications. It's your gateway to a vast world of tokens, NFTs, and decentralized finance protocols, all accessible through your browser or mobile device. On the other hand, ELLIPAL offers a completely air-gapped hardware wallet solution, renowned for its strong security measures against online threats. It keeps your private keys offline, significantly reducing the risk of hacks and unauthorized access. Now, the question on many minds is, can these two powerhouses work together? Can you leverage MetaMask's ease of use while benefiting from ELLIPAL's top-tier security? The answer, in short, is a resounding yes. Connecting your ELLIPAL to MetaMask allows you to interact with the decentralized web with the peace of mind that your assets are secured by your hardware wallet. It bridges the gap between accessibility and uncompromising security, offering a best-of-both-worlds scenario for crypto users. So, how exactly do you make this connection? The process involves a few straightforward steps, primarily utilizing the ELLIPAL mobile app and the MetaMask browser extension. First, ensure you have the latest versions of both the ELLIPAL app and the MetaMask browser extension installed. Open your ELLIPAL app and navigate to the browser section. Within the ELLIPAL browser, you'll typically find an option or a direct link to connect to Web3 applications. Next, on your computer, open the MetaMask browser extension. When you interact with a decentralized application that supports hardware wallets, MetaMask will usually present you with an option to connect a hardware wallet. Select this option and choose ELLIPAL from the list of available wallets. At this point, your ELLIPAL app will likely prompt you to confirm the connection request. Carefully review the details displayed on your ELLIPAL screen to ensure they match the application you're trying to interact with. Once you've verified the information, approve the connection on your ELLIPAL device. Once connected, you can use MetaMask to initiate transactions, sign messages, and interact with smart contracts, all while the crucial step of signing these actions takes place securely on your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. Your private keys never leave the secure environment of your ELLIPAL device. This integration empowers you to confidently navigate the DeFi landscape, participate in NFT marketplaces, and manage your digital assets with the added layer of security that a hardware wallet provides. It's a powerful combination that caters to both seasoned crypto users and those looking to enhance the security of their Web3 interactions. Connecting your ELLIPAL to MetaMask is a significant step towards securing your digital assets while enjoying the flexibility of Web3. It's a testament to the growing interoperability within the crypto space, making advanced security more accessible than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.